Welcome to County College of Morris's Advanced Manufacturing Engineering Center. For our incumbent worker training, we have DOL registered apprenticeships in many skill sets that incumbent workers can be enrolled in anytime. The apprenticeships range from CNC operating, maintenance, and design concentrations. For new hires, we have a pre-apprenticeship manufacturing program in which students are taught the basics of the manufacturing field and are focused on starting an apprenticeship and career with an industry partner. For our robotics and automation program, this program provides students with the foundation in the growing field of robotics and automation. After the students graduate from the program, they have the option to pursue an apprenticeship and career with one of our employer partners. For our welding program, this program is built for anyone who's willing to learn welding. We teach 4 types of welding: MIG, TIG, stick, and flux core, and all the students get a chance to choose what AWS Level 1 certification they would like to certify in. Here at CCM, we're always innovating new ways in which to bring the community together with our programs. Please contact us to get started.